Right, to start with, we're going to draw a line going across there. You're going to take your pair of compasses and you're going to set it to whatever the height of the octagon is meant to be. You take a point on that line and you draw an arc. Just going to mark that little point that I started with so that we've got a reference point. You're then going to take your two set squares, a 45-degree set square and a 60-degree set square. You place the 60-degree set square along that line, and you place your 45-degree set square next to it like that, and you slide this back, holding that down firmly. Transfer your hold onto that 60-degree set square, and draw a line going at 90 degrees to that line from that point, and at 90 degrees to that point over there. That length and that length are exactly the same because it's the same radius. Once I've got that, go back to the story over here, slide that back, hold firmly, draw a 45-degree line going across from there to there, slide this across, and draw a 45-degree line going from there to there. Once you've done that, you can join up those two and you've got your square to start with. Once you've done that, you're going to take your pair of compasses and you're going to set them so that the pencil is making a mark at the center, and you arc around like that. Arc around like that. Arc around and go to that corner over there and arc around. Right, if you've drawn accurately, it should all go through the center perfectly. After you've done that, you can complete your octagon. Okay, once you've done that, you're then going to set your pair of compasses to a 5mm radius, and you're going to make a little mark there, go up to the corner over here, make a little mark there, this corner, mark there, and mark there, that corner, and the same story, little marks over there and there. Right, you can then link up those marks just with construction lines coming across here. All right, and you'll note that you've got another square happening in over here. What I would suggest you do then is, just to make it less confusing, just rub out these lines that are happening on the insides. All right. Once you've done that, you can draw some 45-degree lines going across in your new square over here. All right, and then you reset your pair of compasses. You'll see that this radius that I've got here from there to there is not the same as the radius from there to there. So when you're doing this second octagon that you're going to have in here, it's going to have different length sides from the octagon that you started with at the beginning. Right, once you've got that, you can then draw in your octagon over here, giving you the 5mm white border. And then at the end, you're going to be asked to draw or write the word stop with a certain height lettering. Make sure that you put those two construction lines in and you write S-T-O.